As we step into 2025, the data analytics field continues to evolve at an incredible pace. Here in this video, we will cover top 5 skills every data analyst must have to get ahead in 2025. If you are planning to upgrade your skills or break into this industry, you are in the right place. So let's dive in. So in the number one, we have the data visualization tools, Power BI, Tableau, or Looker Studio. Why? Because in the world of data, insights means nothing if you can't communicate with them. These tools help you create dynamic dashboards and compelling visuals to tell a story, which helps a lot to the stakeholders and to the companies and organizations to make sense of their data and solve their problem. Now I have mentioned 3 tools in it. Pick one and master it. I have mastered the Power BI and I sometimes use Looker Studio, but I barely use Tableau. Each tool has its pros and cons. Power BI is great with its Microsoft ecosystem. Tableau known for its visual flexibility, and Looker Studio is the most beginner friendly. Pick one and add an impactful project for your portfolio. So next on the list is the classic, Excel. Yes, even in 2025, Excel remains a cornerstone of data analysis. From advanced formulas to pivot table, data cleaning, and modeling, Excel is indispensable. Many Fortune companies still rely heavily on Excel, and mastering it is a guaranteed way to boost your productivity, whether in data science or your daily life use cases. Excel is essential. The next one is my personal favorite, Python. This is the project language that I started my journey with. Python is the must-learn programming language for every data analyst. Its versatility makes it suitable for everything, for data manipulation, predictive analysis. Even outside data analytics and data science, Python is one of the most widely used programming languages and the most important languages among all industries. And combining Python with some great IDEs, integrated development environments, means a software which allows us to write codes. And my personal favorite is Jupyter Notebook, where you have such a powerful environment for exploring and sharing your work. In data analytics, focus on some Python libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Pandas, NumPy, and Scikit-learn for machine learning. So next, at number 4 we have SQL, and I can also say at number 4 we have the most demanded skill throughout the data science industry. SQL continues to be the backbone of data retrieval and management. Whether it's MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Microsoft SQL Server, knowing how to write efficient queries is critical for extracting insights from relational databases. Also, SQL is the most popular and demanded skill in data analytics because SQL allows you to do almost every single thing that a data analyst do in his daily life. Now last but not the least, all the cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. Cloud computing skills are becoming increasingly important as businesses are migrating to the cloud. Tools like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure not only stores massive amount of data but also provide tools for data processing and analysis. And just like visualization tools, you have to pick one cloud service and with one platform build a foundation, and you will be ready to level up your skills. So these were all the essential data analysis skills in 2025. Mastering even a few can level up your career to a new height. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Analytical Nerd for more data driven content. See you in the next video.